think the tour has been very instructive. Before the tour, we saw had opinion that the dry dock, shipyard dry dock, really was very, very degraded. But I've seen that since 2025 February now, so much has been done to really bring the facilities here to a very good level. And I see some ships are so talking to have maintenance and some repair works. As a matter of fact, I'm surprised. I didn't know that this facility is in such a beautiful state. As it is right now, it really competes with any other facilities in West Africa. But the intention of the board is to ensure that the facilities and the equipment that are old, outmoded, are replaced and make it very competitive in Africa. We're looking beyond the sub-region. And I believe that with support of government, because I know that exactly the president is so keen in making this place a very important player in the 24-hour economy. And also, we at the board are saying we want to make the shipyard and dry dock the human gold board of Ghana.
Okay. Repeat that.
We want to service, sell our services and foreign currency for this country. There are so many areas where you can make foreign currency. You always look at cocoa and gold, it's fine. But services like this one, like those being provided by Tema Shipyard and dry dock, it's a fantastic channel for earning foreign currency for this country. And the board is committed to supporting them while supporting the company to achieve that.